Europe offers amazing opportunities, but the visa system can feel overwhelming. If you're wondering which visa you need to legally work in Europe, this guide will simplify it for you. Here are the main options to know before you apply. National Work Visa, also called a long-stay visa, usually required if you have a confirmed job offer. Examples: Germany's D visa, France's Work Visa, Italy's National Visa. Apply in your target country's process. EU Blue Card, a special permit for highly skilled workers. Requirements: university degree and a job offer with a minimum salary which varies by country. It also allows movement between EU countries. Great for mobility as your career grows. Seasonal Work Visa, for temporary jobs in farming, tourism, and hospitality. Typically valid for a few months and renewable in some cases. Plan around peak seasons. Job Seeker Visa. Some countries like Germany allow you to stay and search for a job legally. Duration ranges from 6 to 18 months depending on the country. Use the time to interview and network. Freelancer or self-employment visa, for digital nomads, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Popular in Portugal, Spain, Germany, and Estonia. Prepare proof of income and clients. Student to work visa pathways. Many students transition into work visas after graduation. For example, France's APS visa or Germany's 18-month job search visa. Start early with internships and networking. In short, your visa type depends on your situation, job offer, skills, or plans. Always check the official government site of your target country to apply the right way. Good luck with your European journey.